guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I remove this pink semi-permanent dye from this frontal wig. Details of the wig will be in the description bar below. This wig is from my collection -27. Enjoy. For this process we'll be using baking soda, olive oil, neutralizing shampoo. We'll be using Dawn dishwashing liquid and leave-in conditioner. For the leave-in conditioner, you can use any brand of your choice. So I started by pouring the hot boiling water in my container that I was using. So what I'll be doing, I will be adding some baking soda. I added the Dawn dishwashing liquid, and also I added the shampoo, mixed it together. So now you can see I am placing the wig in the water, and I just let it sit there, just ensure that all the hair is covered with the water. And I just let it sit there for maybe at least 20 minutes. So this is what the wig looks like, guys, after 20 minutes. And you can see it's not as pink as it was before. You can see the color, a bit of the color has left the wig. So what I'll be doing, I'll be changing the water and repeating the process. So this is me adding new boiling water to the container, adding baking soda, the Dawn dishwashing liquid, and shampoo. So I'm pretty much repeating the process and mixing it together. Then I'll be adding the wig again. So I let the wig sit, I let it sit there for another 20 to 30 minutes, and this is what the wig looked like when after 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see the dye, it's leaving the hair. It's not as pink as it was before. So the final step, I'll be adding more water, again fresh water, boiling water. So this time I only used baking soda because I think I used enough enough dishwashing liquid and shampoo. So after letting it sit there for another 30 minutes, this is what the hair looks like, guys. So my shampoo, and then the process it's pretty much done. What I did after shampooing the hair, I added my leave-in conditioner. There you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section below. I am curious to know if you tried this process. I want to know how it went. Stay blessed and keep motivated. Thanks for watching.